So good morning guys, this is day 4 of our VFS and today we are planning to meet different villagers, to meet different peoples of different castes and different communities and they do different kind of work. So we'll meet them, we'll talk to them and try to gather as much information as we can from them. And yesterday our whole day was just go went to do went yes no, I wouldn't say wasted. Just yesterday whole day we were just sleeping whole day, so we didn't do anything productive. But today we have certain plans, and we'll try to finish all this plan, all those the task. So let's see. The shade is already ready. I have to take a bath and get ready myself. So we are about to leave in an hour or so. So stay tuned. Guys, so we started our day 4 journey. So we are starting with by visiting school. So we are visiting school today because tomorrow onwards there will be a Diwali vacation. So there will be a long gap of around 10 to 12 days. So that's why we are covering school first. So and you can see I'm drinking milk. So let's go. Guys, so we reached to school and this is the school. Rajyakir Uच्च Prathmik Vidyalaya Palasana, and this is all infrastructure of the school. So let's go inside and see what we find there. So there you also see Darshit and Narendra, and kids are also here. So this is the whole infra of the school. So let's see, and we'll try to meet the headmaster. And if we can't headmaster, then we'll try to have a chit chat with any teacher or any faculty. So let's try to find them, any one of them. So guys, we just finished our interview in the school. So it was a government school and a nice school. I mean, it was old. It was constructed in 1965, and basic infrastructure was there. Benches was there, blackboard, chalk वगैरह वो सब था वहाँ पे, बढ़िया था. And best part is कि tuition fee was also free. Their uniform and midday meal and everything was free. Nothing so chill. So villagers who admit their students in this government school, they don't have to pay anything in that school. But problem is कि still like there are some private colleges who like villagers have this perception. Villagers have this perception in their mind that private schools are good. So despite having fees, I mean those who can afford afford to pay the price of private school, they send their children to private school only. So that's why they are these government schools are lacking the cream students, and like a number of students are getting reduced every year in the government school because of the entry of the private school. So but quality of education was like good. I mean we talked to one professor and he said ki even though the villagers have this perception that private school is good, quality of when it comes to only quality of education of government school versus private school, so like 60% of government education is equal to 80% of private education. So it's kind of statistics he showed to us. But now it's time for our breakfast. So we have reached to our home. So we will do our breakfast and then we'll go to any other place. So stay tuned. Guys, it's around 2 in the afternoon and we were supposed to do our work, but see what they are doing. Narendra is watching Panchayat and Darshit is also watching some film. So ऐसे ही है भाई, आलसी करना चल रहा है, क्या करें
भाई. तुम्हारे व्लॉग की वजह से पता चला, कॉलेज वालों को पता चल गया है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए भाई. बोला तुम तो ये कर रहे थे. हमारे पास वो भी है। ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए भाई।
तो फिर काम करो और क्या।
तुम बंद कर दो लोग बनाना।
She is Sandhya. She is so cute. She is the younger sister, younger daughter of Adesh bhai. हल्का है। अब पता नहीं हम कब काम पे जाएंगे, और जब भी जाएंगे वीडियो बनाएंगे। So good evening guys, it's 4:20 p.m. and right now we are going to Bhuteshwar Mahadev temple. It's around 2 kilometers away from our home. So before coming here we were playing cricket and unfortunate incident happened. I was betting and I just hit a shot and it went directly on the face of Himanshu. So but he is fine now, but such things shouldn't happen. I should be more careful. So I believe that's something bad on my part, but anyways, let's see what we find there and we'll catch you there. So guys, this is Kodiwale Hanumanji Mandir is on the hill, so we'll try to come here also while returning to our home. So first we'll go with that Mahadev Mandir, and after that we will go here. So see. Guys, so we just come to this temple and what we found here ki this one jackal was here. He just hunt down this this goat. So what you see here, and this goat belongs to this Gadari. So it is a hunt right now only. So yes, wild animals are also here, so we have to be careful because and yeah, so we are surrounded by jackal, hyena, tiger, lion also. So and there's the live example is just in front of us, so we have to be more careful, but doesn't okay, I don't fear of anything. I'm just joking in this. Guys, so because of this incident, my teammates got frightened. So now we are planning not to visit the temple. Is just right now only in the bushes only. But this jackal or hyena, I don't know. But any wild animal is roaming here only, and it just hunt this goat right in front of us. So not in front of us, but during our presence. So we are not going there as of now, but so change of plan and we are going to that Hanumanji Mandir. So adventure is going on and we are enjoying. So anyways, good. So guys, there's this temple and you know we have to walk throughout this water to reach there. And as you can see, that old man is also walking on this swamp. I would say it's not a river, but it's not a river, but it's a swamp. Yes, so I don't want to do this much adventure, so I'm not going there. So, but anyways, this is a temple. If this is Mahadev, क्या था पूरा नाम? हाँ, this is Bhuteshwar Mahadev Mandir. So. But now we are going to the Hanumanji ka mandir, Koti Hanumanji, something like that. So anyways, this is Ashit Bhai once again. Guys, so we finally reached to Hanumanji Mandir and this is the temple on the hill. So as you can see, this is the temple premises and this is the main idol of Lord Hanuman, as you can see. So yeah, हमने दर्शन कर लिए हैं. अब it's time to say goodbye, leave this place. And so let's see, let me show you the view from this hill. So we are going on the roof. So yeah, wow, what a beautiful view. So see guys, this is the view from the roof of this temple. So so this is the first hill we climb while we are in this village. So yeah, this is the whole view. So yeah, okay then, it's time to go. We'll leave for our home. So see you. Guys, so we finally reached our home, and as you can see here, the dal is cooking because today is Karwa Chauth and tonight we are having dal bati in our dinner. So really excited for that. I love dal bati also personally. So बढ़िया है, मज़ा आएगा डिनर में, तो खाएंगे बढ़िया. So मिलते हैं बाद में.
So guys, it's 10:40 p.m. and as you can see, Narendra is already asleep and the Shiva is chatting with someone. So yeah, it was a good day. We visited some places, we rest also, and now tomorrow we are planning to go to that Sanjay Kund to take a bath. So we'll try to reach there early by 6 o'clock, and so for that we have to sleep early also. So with this I am about to sleep in an half an hour or so. So yeah, that's it for day 3. So good night guys, take care of yourself, take care of family, and then goodbye, good night.